Hey, it's Kim from houseforkim.com. Did you just hear that beeping noise? Yeah, that is my smoke detector that needs changed. Way up there. How in the hell am I supposed to change that? It's like 16 feet high. So, as I'm contemplating this, I'm thinking they should have put it up over there. Let's go up there and see. So, when you're building a house, I recommend putting all the smoke detectors so that you can change the battery when need be. Because it's going to beep here probably in another second or two. See how annoying that is? I've been listening to that for a week. They should have put it like right there. So what do?